In this video, we will show the 10 best body washes in India 2021 available to buy. At number 1, Cetaphil Restoraderm Skin Restoring Body Wash. Features of Cetaphil Restoraderm Skin Restoring Body Wash are: Pros and cons of Cetaphil Restoraderm Skin Restoring Body Wash are: Our review. At number 2, Dove Body Wash. Features of Dove Body Wash are: Pros and cons of Dove Body Wash are: Our review. At number 3, StBotanica Moroccan Argan Oil Ultra Nourishing Body Wash. Features of StBotanica Moroccan Argan Oil Ultra Nourishing Body Wash are: Pros and cons of StBotanica Moroccan Argan Oil Ultra Nourishing Body Wash are: Our review. At number 4, the Body Shop Beauty Shower Gel Fuji Green Tea. Features of the Body Shop Beauty Shower Gel Fuji Green Tea are: Pros and cons of the Body Shop Beauty Shower Gel Fuji Green Tea are: Our review. At number 5, Aveeno Active Naturals Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. Features of Aveeno Active Naturals Daily Moisturizing Body Wash are: Pros and cons of Aveeno Active Naturals Daily Moisturizing Body Wash are: Our review. At number 6, the Body Shop Satsuma Shower Gel. Features of the Body Shop Satsuma Shower Gel are: Pros and cons of the Body Shop Satsuma Shower Gel are: Our review. At number 7, Forest Essentials Oudh and Green Tea Silkening Shower Wash. Features of Forest Essentials Oudh and Green Tea Silkening Shower Wash are: Pros and cons of Forest Essentials Oudh and Green Tea Silkening Shower Wash are: Our review. At number 8, Fiama Shower Gel Blackcurrant and Bearberry Body Wash. Features of Fiama Shower Gel Blackcurrant and Bearberry Body Wash are: Pros and cons of Fiama Shower Gel Blackcurrant and Bearberry Body Wash are: Our review. At number 9, L'Occitane Shower Gel. Features of L'Occitane Shower Gel are: Pros and cons of L'Occitane shower gel are. Our review. At number 10, Biotique Bio Apricot Refreshing Body Wash. Features of Biotique Bio Apricot Refreshing Body Wash are. Pros and cons of Biotique Bio Apricot Refreshing Body Wash are. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.